In this video, we'll show how you can add summary data to the footer of a column in a list control. So you can see here we have a list control displaying some data from the Northwind order details table, and at the bottom of this quantity column here we'd like to display the total of all of the values in the column. So let's go now and take a look at how this was set up. So we'll go now into the list builder, and we'll see that for the quantity column we've turned on compute summary values. So this is a client-side computation, and you can see there in the help here it tells us that we can use the after client-side summary compute event to get access to the summary values that were computed. Next, you can see we've gone here to the quantity column over here, and in the template, in the footer template, so the column footer template is the template that describes the HTML that is displayed at the end of that column. And you can see here we've created a div, and inside the div we have a label that says total, and then we have a span, and we've given the span a very special ID. We've used dialog.component name, which is the placeholder for the UX component alias, then dialog.list ID, which is the placeholder for this current list, followed by quantity.total. So the reason for using these placeholders here is to make sure that this ID here is going to be unique no matter how many different lists we have on this component, etc. So now we have a span with an ID, and in the event that is called when the summary values are available, we're going to write the summary value into the inner HTML of this element. So let's go now over to the events, so list events, and you can see here in the after client-side summary compute we're going to basically take the total which is available over here. So if you read the help here, you can see that all of the summary values are available in an object called CS summary. So we're going to basically get the total for the quantity field out of the CS summary object. Then we're going to get the ID of the element where we would like to put that total, and then we'll set the inner HTML to the total. So we've shown here how you can basically compute summary values for all of the columns in a list, and then how you can use the column footer template to place those summary values at the end of each column in the list. Thanks very much for watching.